Happy day, students. Welcome to grade 3, Computer Science, Chapter 9, Formatting in WordPad. Now, we've been seeing a few videos on Chapter 7, 8 about the Word. This is WordPad. This is the last chapter of formatting, okay? So formatting means what? To make your text in a beautiful way. How to make your text, your presentation in the beautiful way. So that's what we are going to learn in this lesson. So let's see what we are going to learn in this video 1. So we will be learning how to change a font and what are the various font style. So how to use them. And how to change the text, the size of it, and what are the various types of alignment. Alignment means the way how the presentation looks. So what are the various alignments? We are going to look into it. Okay, students? Now, let us get into the lesson where I would be showing the WordPad and I'll show you all these things on a live way. The first one, the topic is changing font. Okay, what do you mean by fonts, students? So here I have typed few text here, okay? So now, doesn't it look very small? So if it is, how it will be if it's a little bit bigger in a very stylish way, it looks neat and it will also look attractive, right? So let's see how we can do that, okay? So now, the different shape of the character is known as font. Okay, so now here, if you see here in your ribbon column in the home tab, we have clipboard, font group, paragraph, insert and editing. Now we are going to look into this font group options here. So if you note, students, default there is a font which is called Calibri and which is in size 11. Okay, so what are fonts actually? As I said, it's a shape of the character. So let me go to a small example in this. So each one of us will have a different handwriting. Will most of it look same? There would be a small change, right? Likewise, changing the style of the appearance of the font, the typing, that's called as a font. Okay, so now here, if you look here, a friendship, if you wanted to make that particular word to appear bold, okay, can you see here in the font group an option called B, which is called as B stands for bold, to make the text bold. So what we need to do, we need to select the text and click on bold. Can you see the text is being bold here? And shortcut for bold is Control plus B from your keyboard. Okay, now you want it in a stylish way, to make it in a different stylish way. There's another way called italics. Can you see I stands for italics. Okay, this text will be a tilt towards the right direction. Just observe this. Can you see? Normal, and it was slight tilting. That's a speciality of italics. And shortcut for italics is Control plus I from your keyboard. Okay. The next one, certain important points or heading, what we do, we underline. Usually when we write the classworks, have me write here also. There is an option called underline. Any text you wanted to underline, you can use the word. You can click on the word U below this font. Okay, can you see your U? Yes. So now how is it? The first word, friendship. It looks very nice, right? So now what is the shortcut key for underlining? It's Control plus U. Okay. So now here, so always remember, before you do something, we need to select it and then only the appearance will come when you want to do the change to it. Okay. Now we have made it, and bolded, and we have made it italics, and we have also given underline. How is it if we make it little more bigger? Yeah. So now I'm going to make it bigger. Now, can you see here in the font group on the top? This is the font name and the size. So when you make a bigger and when you select it and make it bigger, it will more choose the size, it will become bigger. Now I've given 36 and let's see a different style. Can you see? Arial black, bond script. What are these? These are the various types of, yes, fonts. So I've given Algerian. It looks more, right? It's look more, little more legible. Okay, this is how we change it. Now, so then, now we are going to see about the alignment. Alignments like, now can you see here? One line is inside, one line is outside. Can we all make it united? Yeah, I mean the uniform and in a different type of alignment. Alignment is nothing but the position of the text, how it appears in a document. Certain words, it may come to the left side, the alignment right side. So this is called as an alignment. Okay, there are 4 types of alignment. If you see this in a paragraph proof, this is left, this is center, this is right, and this is justified. So before we put on this, now we are going to select it. I'm just selecting it and I'm going to show you. Always in default, it will be in the left alignment. Can you see the words here? Or it is all aligned to the left. Okay. So shortcut key for this is Control plus L. Okay. Now let's see the second one. What happens here? What is the second one? Yes, good guess. Good job. Center and the shortcut is Control plus E. You want the text to appear from the middle. So can you all see all the letters are appearing from the middle? Yeah. And you want them to appear from the right side. Can you see? All appears from the right side. Okay. And the next one is justified. Justify means all the sides will be in a equal. So now if I select this one, you will be able to understand. So now can you see the third paragraph? Like all the 3 lines were almost to an end. So now if you see, hasn't it aligned in a uniform way? This is justified. Okay. And one more thing is there. Now here, looking at this, we also can make it to the center. What alignment is it? Yes, center alignment. Next, we are going to see setting a tab stop. So what is tab stop? It's nothing but the position of the ruler. Can you see how we have the, we have a scale like this, the ruler, okay? So this is nothing but the margin. You always say right from the margin. Always follow the margin when we all write in the classwork, right? Likewise, even here also we have these margin. This is called as the margin which needs to be done. Okay, it's called as a setting tab stop. Okay, now this one, like here when you type something, okay, now I'm typing a word, okay, and here instead of giving a space by yourself, if you use a tab, there's an option called tab in your tab. And what happens? Automatically, it has a equal space where without you giving you a space, it will equally make the words in a spaced manner. See, can you see? Yeah. So again, I'm going to type a tab. Yes. Can you see equally the space has been given? This place, this is called setting a tab. It would be default, it's 0.5. Okay. And shift plus, and this is also a ruler. Accordingly, you can, select the text, for the selection, the entire document is Control plus A. Now, with the help of the ruler, you can move your, say like, you can move here and there with the help of the ruler. Okay. Fine. Hope you must have understood about this. Alignment and as well as the changing the font and everything, right? Thank you, students. You all have a great day. Let me see you all in the next continuation video where we will be learning about how to create a point, how to insert a word, wrapping a text, and preview of the document. Thank you, students. You all have a great day. Take care.